This is a old design frame.
Mm-hmm.
It uses elliptical Columbus SL tubing. It's got clearance for 32 tires. We got a Chinelli Gramo stem, Soma compact drops, some Campy brakes, skeleton calipers with cool stop pads, the Conti 4 Season, crankset, old Campy crankset. I converted to single speed using Philwood makes spacers, so you don't have to cold set your rear drops. You could just widen the spindle, I guess.
Oh yeah.
I got a White Industries freewheel. Up here I have a salsa seat post and a Physique Volta R1 carbon saddle.